Hello, my name is Dr. Srikanth V. I am a practicing plastic and cosmetic surgeon. I practice at Manipal Hospital and at Clinique Belle at Bangalore. Do all patients losing hair need hair transplant? The answer is no. Not all the patients who are losing hair need hair transplant. The people who are losing hair, it is good for them to visit a person who specializes in hair fall. They are called as trichologists. It may be a dermatologist, it may be a plastic surgeon. See the cause for hair fall. There are many medical causes for hair fall. If you treat those medical causes for hair fall, your hair fall should arrest. For example, vitamin D deficiency, B12 deficiency, maybe there's some amount of stress that you are undergoing. So all these things can be treated without surgery. There is a small percentage of people with hair fall who respond very well to medical treatment. Now this medical treatment would consist of lotions and tablets which your trichologist will tell you or your hair transplant surgeon will tell you. You need to normalize your vitamin levels like B12, vitamin D, and once you take care of all this, your hair fall will reduce and you may not need a hair transplant. However, if you do persist to lose hair or you desire to have more hair on your head, hair transplant is the procedure for you.